I am an extremely competitive person. Growing up playing all the different sports that I played, I like anything where there's a winner and there's a loser. There are a number of qualities you need, I think, to be a good coach. When you're talking about coaching young people, patience is the biggest thing. It's just fun to develop those relationships and see the kids grow, to see them develop a competitive spirit and really go from not knowing which end of a baseball bat to hold to becoming pretty good players. And it's really figuring out what makes those individual children tick and what their personalities are. Being a trial lawyer really fits with my competitive nature and gives me somewhere to direct that competitive energy that I have. The coaching that I've done really has helped me grow as a personal injury lawyer. It has shown me the benefit and the necessity of really getting to understand a person, to know how they work in order to help them the best you can. If I don't understand who they are and what they're about and what they're going through, there's no way I can explain that to an insurance company or to a jury. I have learned a great deal, and I apply that every single day in my job.
One evening I was driving my work vehicle. I was going through a traffic light. As I was going through it, someone that was coming from the opposite direction was turning into me. She hit me, and the momentum just flipped the whole van. After I flipped, the van caught on fire. I blacked out. My life flashed before my eyes. I actually thought I was gonna die. It slowed me down with my business. I knew I needed an attorney ASAP. I found the Gunnels Law Firm through a friend. I was very impressed. I felt at home. It helped me out a lot. He didn't give up. He was willing to go above and beyond. It was just a whole life-changing experience. I would definitely recommend the Gunnels Law Firm to anyone. They're gonna take care of you.
I know that no one comes to see me when everything's going right in their life. If they've come to see me, something's gone wrong. And if you give these insurance companies a chance, they're gonna take advantage of you, especially if you won't have a lawyer. And I get up every day making sure they're not gonna do that to my clients. I'm not gonna allow it. We take the time to get to know you and get to know your case, so when the time comes that I need to present your case to a group of strangers on a jury, I am well armed and I know your entire story. At the Gunnels Law Firm, our promise to every client is to do everything in our power to make sure your voice is heard and your story is told.